able to by the end of next week.
What year is this? 53?
This one's yeah, this guy's got it.
My only son.